Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you top scholarships for nursing student. Yes, my dear students, if you want to get a scholarship for nursing, there are some scholarships, top scholarships, so you can avail here. One of the most famous scholarship is the Acadian. This is the link, Acadian service. So you can get scholarship from here. You can apply here by applying here for scholarship. So on second, you can apply here on Commonwealth scholarships, which also providing scholarship for nursing. You can also apply here by visiting this cscuk.fcd.gov. So you can apply here for nursing scholarships. On third number, there is a rotatory scholarships for nursing students. They can also get scholarships from here by applying for the scholarship here. You can visit this here by typing rotatory.org. There is also apply link here. You can also join and then apply for scholarships. On fourth number, you can see here UNICEF is also providing for nursing scholarships. You can apply here by on their website by sign up here and then apply for scholarship. Nurses can also apply here. On fifth number, you can see here you are supporting nurse and midwives to promote health, improve care, and save lives. This is also a foundation name of Florence Nightingale Foundation. So you can also sign up here and then contact them for nursing scholarships. You can see here you can contact them and show your expertise and then get scholarships. Along with this, WHO also providing scholarships for nurses. You can also apply here for nursing scholarships. Along with this, there is also Sigma Global Nursing Excellence. This is also a nice website. Lots of nurses are getting scholarships from here. You can also get scholarships from sigmanursing.org by applying here. You can see nurses faculty research. There is a sign up option. Just sign up and then apply for scholarship by joining here. Along with this, study in Japan. If you want a scholarship in Japan, Japan is also providing scholarships for nursing students. So this is in Japan, okay? At last, European Commission Erasmus. This is world's most famous scholarship process. Scholarship providing organization. So lots of students getting help from this Erasmus scholarship. So nurses can also apply here to get scholarships for their nursing scholarships. So this is for all today. Nurses can get from these websites by applying here. So if you like my video, kindly like, share